We're talking about Craft-Bilt's revolutionary new pleated screen system. It's a revolutionary system where the screen cloth is actually pressed into 1-inch deep pleats. It's a narrow system that installs almost anywhere, and installation is a breeze. Another ingenious feature of the Craft-Bilt pleated screen is the high-quality resin chain that guides your screen along the floor. You can see as the screen is closed, the chain is pulled out from the pull rail, and as the screen is opened, it ingeniously hides up inside the pull rail. You may be thinking to yourself, wow, that ultra-low sill, that really is convenient. I like that. It's not going to collect any dirt. I'm not going to trip on it. But what happens if the chain happens to come off? It could be hit by your pet, a member of your family, or a guest. All you have to do, open the shade and close it. What if Uncle Fritz has one too many brown pops, as they say, and he knocks the pull bar off that ultra-low sill? Then all you have to do is put it back on the sill, open, and close your screen. Did we say installing your pleated screen was a snap? So long, screen lovers. The profile of a pleated screen makes it easy to install in all kinds of openings, and it looks nicer than roll screens that have those bulky cassettes. Compared to a motorized screen, getting in and out is easier and quicker. With a motorized screen, you have to wait for the motor to draw the screen all the way to the top. With a pleated screen, just open it up as much as you need, get in or out. In fact, you might want to install motorized screens in all of your openings but one, and in that one opening, put a pleated screen for convenient egress. The forgiving nature of pleated screens means they don't require a perfectly level or square opening. On the other hand, motorized screens must be installed in a plumb, level, and square method, otherwise they won't operate properly. Craft-Bilt's pleated screens have the lowest sill you will ever see, approximately 1/8 of an inch. No tripping, no dust, and no dirt to collect. The simple manual operation of Craft-Bilt's pleated screens means there are no motors, springs, or brackets to wear out like roll screens. And finally, cost. Unlike motorized screens, pleated screens don't require expensive motors, so you can enclose your patio or porch for less.